Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. As y'all can see by the title, we're gonna be bullying and cutting up with a blueberry Blackwing. Make sure y'all go follow my boy Warren.
They're gonna call me Osa.
No they don't. And as you see, we back in the STOLN cat. Also, I appreciate y'all boys for giving me the 10 and 11K subs too. I'm gonna keep working, you feel me? Gonna hit 50K and 100K in the mill. Gonna keep going up. But I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'll catch y'all boys on the road.
I love geeking RPT, my favorite feeling. You seen the blitz, I seen it coming like the sunset. Bad bitch, blue hair look like my sensing. Only time she showed me love was when I'm tripping. Ain't no rap.
I'm not used to this side of town, so you feel me? I don't know my way too much around here. I don't know these roads like that. Bro, it literally say go that way, bro. Where is he going? There's no street lights on this road. Bro, your pops is killing me. I don't like how this road has no lights, like. Bro, these roads are so weird. I can't see nothing. Huh? I ain't disturbing nothing. Bro, it's so peaceful out here. Like, it's nobody on the road. This is very peaceful. stay flying, bro. It's so cold, man. I hate having to have my windows down while I record. Be so peaceful when like nobody's on the road for real. Bro, seeing Warren fly by me just kills me, bro. Like, you'd have to know him for as long as I knew him to see how far he done came, bro. This is killing me. My ambient lighting ain't been on this whole time, or am I tripping? Come on, gotta get a 60 in. Does he want the jumper solo? Oh, he's trying to hear his verbals. I was so lost, I didn't know if he heard the honk or not. His car sounded way better than what it was stock though, I ain't gonna lie. What's he doing, bro? Come back for the run. Bro, he wasting all the straightaways we getting, bro. Race around the curve, doofus. God dang. It's a great straightaway. Hey, 50. 50. I'm trying to flash him so he can know to come back. Like, what are you doing? racing. I ain't trying to slow down fast enough to get over there. I can see one of the car head start or something, I don't know. Got some power, boy. We were supposed to get off over there. Dang, I'm stupid. He won't that much of a head start. I don't know where my phone went. Oh, there it is. But this cat put in work, dawg, I tell you. I missed the exit 3 times. Go. I should have stayed in it longer. I had hella space. I didn't know if there was a median over here or not. Man, I love dogging the cat, bro. This had to be the best car choice for me to buy. My next car I'm buying, I'm definitely going Z06. I'm gonna keep this cat though. Like, I'm gonna figure, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna add to the fleet. I'm not selling this cat. I'm getting the Z06 though, for sure, in the future. I need something that's gonna be a different driving experience. I need something I can bend corners and race around, you know what I'm saying? Race around curves with, feel me? We're on this dark road. Why is the road so dark? Boy. Whoa, this road is terrible. What in the world? Through waking the neighborhood up. Boy, oh boy. Stink out here, smell like construction work. We got more street lights over here, I think. Straight dogging, boy. That was police right there. Whoa. We made it in one piece, boy.
Money, clothes, and pretty hoes, that's like my favorite trio. This stack I got on me so thick.